Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Today, I will explain about teaching English with my partner. First of all, I will introduce myself. My name is Nur Fadila, and my partner.
My name is Ibnu Syabani.
Nowadays, I will explain about TEFL. TEFL is how to teach English with 100% with English language. TEFL is how to teach English as foreign language and as international language. Mean give recite the meaning English. TEFL is subject about approach, method, theory, and mindset. Brief history of language teaching. Grammar translation method focus on text. Direct method focus on context or real life. Grammar translator method focus written and structure. Language behavior and language learning. Language behavior, how to use language. Language learning is how to master the nature of approach and method. Approach is belief and method is procedure or practice. The oral approach and situational language teaching focus on speaking only and listening. And life role playing, and communication competence is the ability to use language effectively in real life. Communicative competence is a person's ability to use language in accordance with the social. It's not just about mastering grammar and vocabulary, but also the ability to interact. Maybe that's all for me, and then my partner.
Okay, my name is Ibnu Syabani. I want to tell chapter 6 sampai 10. Okay, chapter 6 is Sagustopedia. Sagustopedia is a language learning method that focuses on making students feel relaxed and confident. How? The teacher creates a calm learning environment, often using classical music to help students concentrate better. The idea is that a positive atmosphere helps the brain absorb listen more easily. The teacher plays a big role here, ensuring students feel that learning language is easy and fun. In class, students usually read text while listening to music, and then engage in role-playing activities to practice what they learned. And for example, pretending to be a customer in the store while using the target language. The advantage of this method is that it boosts student confidence and makes learning more activities. However, it requires special preparation such as music, class decoration, and silent teacher. It can also be challenging to implement in large classroom where relaxing atmosphere might be. And then Chapter 7, The Silent Way. The silent way is a language teaching method where the teacher talks as little as possible. Yes, the teacher is seriously barely speak. And students are encouraged to be active and figure things out on their own. For example, the teacher might show pictures, symbol, or color codes, and students are asked to guess their meaning. The methods believe that students learn better when they discover language pattern by themselves. The teacher only provides help with them when absolutely necessary. For instance, if students are confused, the teacher might give a hand gesture or point to a relevant visual aid. And the strength of the method is that it promotes independence, creativity, and critical thinking. But all students are prepared for the approach, especially those who need clear instruction. The teacher also needs to be highly skilled to ensure the class runs effectively. And then chapter 8, Community Language Learning. Community language learning combines group-based learning with a counseling approach where the teacher acts as a counselor to support students emotionally. In this method, students collaborate in group to learn the language of real conversation that the recorder and emulate together. The teacher teaches student conversation with the target language and provides evidence to help them understand language better. The support create positive environment and good students confident in speaking because they learn directly from what they say rather than complicated theories. This method is highly effective in improving students' speaking ability, especially for those who enjoy group work. However, it can be less effective in large class or with students who are uncomfortable in class. Or in chapter 9, language learning strategies. Language strategies are tools to help students learn language more easily. This chapter explains that there are different types of strategies that students can use depending on their needs. Number 1, metacognitive. These strategies involve planning before studying, such as today I will learn 10 new words, and everything afterwards, do I understand it yet? And number 2, cognitive. Example include reading text, taking notes, or repeating vocabulary. Is focused on how the brain processes information. And number 3, compensation. Overcoming language limitations such as using synonyms, gesture, or describing words when the text term is unknown. And number 4, effective. Managing emotion during learning, like self-regulation or calming accent before speaking. And number 5, social. Learning tough discussion with friends, asking questions to teacher, or practicing conversation with others. When used correctly, these strategies help students become more independent and learn faster. However, students need to be trained to use the strategies effectively for the best results. And then chapter 10, okay? fully understand extra various strategies. Some key strategies include: number one is skimming, reading quickly to grasp my idea of a text. For example, reading the title and the first paragraph to understand the overall content. And number two, scanning, searching for specific information within a text such as dates or names. And number three, inference, using the meaning of words or sentence based on content without relying on dictionary. Teacher often use text relevant to student experience, such as short stories or article about hobbies. After reading, students discuss or write summaries to ensure they truly understand the material. This method is excellent for improving student and analytical skill and building their confidence in reading longer texts. However, the challenge is selecting text appropriate for the student comprehension level to prevent confusion. Okay, that's all for me. Any question? Okay, that's all for me and my friend. I'm sorry for my mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.